So I'm back with another faux loc video, so let's get right into it. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is the Mojito Cuban twist braiding hair. I picked up 2 packs, one in the color of #1 and the other in T5030. The hair cost $5.99 per pack, and what I wanted to do is just show you how the hair look outside of the packaging. I did split the hair in half, and I also wanted to show you a strand of the hair so you can see how it looks. Now getting into the products that I'm going to be using today. I picked up some of the Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel, and let me just say I'm also going to be using some oil to grease my scalp. This is a growth oil mixed with some jojoba oil, and I also wanted to show y'all how the gel look on camera with the flash. It looks so cute. But now let's get into it. So I started doing my hair last night. I didn't want to do a full video of me actually doing all of the faux locs on camera, so I left the front portion of my hair out just to show you exactly what I did. So for this particular style, I do have several faux loc videos on my channel. Please be sure to check out the cue cards that are linked throughout this video if you would like to see the different methods that I used, because each video I did do different methods, and here's another method that I'm trying differently as well too. So I'm going to be doing the comb twist method. Okay, now I can't explain to you, and also I wasn't in a good position so y'all could see like up close what I'm doing, but all I'm doing is taking and I'm putting, girl, I'm not even gonna try to explain it. But if you want to try this method out at home on your hair, please feel free to check out some videos that's already up on this YouTube platform, because there is so many. Okay, but I just wanted to showcase me showing y'all how I did my hair. So after me completing the actual comb twist, all I'm gonna do is attach a piece of that braiding hair to the end portion of my hair, and I'm just gonna wrap it around as if it was a faux loc. Now you may notice, if you can see, because I just caught it, some of my hair, my natural hair, began to unravel. But once I start doing this process, my hair will begin to twist up right along with me doing the wrapping process of the faux loc. Okay, so yeah. And that's pretty much it, y'all. This is a different method. Like I said, please feel free to check out some other videos on YouTube doing the comb twist method for faux locs. I want to say that this is also a form of me interlocking, because I believe honestly, after doing all of this, I'm not taking this out. And this is too much work. I'm not taking it out. I'm going to see how far or how long I can keep it. My real intentions, just to see how long my hair can grow. But hey, I actually like the lock look on me, and I did the right size this go around, because all the other faux locs that I did, they were pretty healthy. So I was like, let me do something a little bit different. I want to perpetrate, so let me perpetrate right, take my time and do this. So I ended up using 2 packs total of hair, what I showed you guys, the 1 pack of the T5030 and the 1 pack of the #1. And you can achieve this look. I don't even know, I need to count to see how many twists I have while I'm doing this voiceover. After I put y'all on pause, I'm gonna count and put a number on the screen. So yeah, all you need is 2 packs, cut it in half, and you are good to go. I know I have it over 60, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna hush up now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns in regards to the video. Also share this video on your social media platforms. You never know, somebody may like this method and the way that I did it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And with that being said, I shall see you guys in my next one, and thank you guys so much for tuning in, and stay safe. Peace out.